in honor of Air Max month, I present to you Nike Air Max 97 Tiger Camo. You dig? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm back with another steal. I know it's early in the morning. Everybody is out and about, or probably at work, since most people are 6 and 5 hours ahead of me. Don't forget, this weekend, Emoneyshoes, PM Kicks, and 313_Retro Queen will be on Who Has the Heat. And this will be the championship round. The show is sponsored by Money Run Clothing. In the building, we got Breezy Kicks 23. We got Black Ass African in the building. We got McFly, KOL, the hardest working man in shoe taming. We have P-Town 24. And last but not least, Splash Drippy on the show. Also, we'll have special moderator and guest feats and treats to help with the voting and all of that good stuff and giving input on the shoes. If you want to pick up some nice Money Run merch, you got hoodies and all of that stuff. I'm gonna look Money Run Clothing. I put it in the description. The code do what you like, and you will get 20% off your order. On you can do it, or you can hit them up directly on IG, Money Run Clothing _. Now we on our way to that 1600 and trying to march to that 2K. So hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell a family member, a friend, and you become a part of the Money Squad. We're gonna try to do, I guess, a giveaway here pretty soon, probably the next month or two. Also, some new stuff on the horizon. We got Limelight probably gonna come out. Got it for people who wanna, just put the word out, socialize. Got stuff like people who do paintings, customizers, small shoe tubers, things of that nature. We're just gonna do that, all of that good stuff, and chop it up. Now that's enough of me running my mouth. Let's jump right into this review. As you can see, that little Nike orange box with the swoosh. Cop this from Foot Action. What we have, the Nike Air Max 97 AOP. I was like, damn, for wrestling fan, that's like Authors of Pain. Then you get a size 10.5 here. I go a half size up on these joints. Official colorway is black, khaki, velvet brown. I think they had other colors that released in different countries like France and all of that stuff. So if you've been keeping up with this, you probably have an idea what these are. Suggested retail price, $170 of them things. You can see, got that Foot Action sticker right there. You got your stamper ramp and your QC, which really don't mean jack. You got the paper right there. And you know how I do. You always have that receipty seat. You see that little stilly still. I got it for $83. That's basically half off. And we got to do a double stomp right there. Look at that. Back that ass up. Let it marinate. Get around that ass on the back. Check it out. And bust it like that on the side. As you can see, got it all blacked out. You got your Nike check right there. And on the toe, got that nice leather right there. And for you 3M enthusiasts, wink wink, got it right here, 3M, and 3M right here, along with some tumble rumble. I don't know if you can, let me get up close. See that tumble rumble, that stanker rankle right there. You got it two times. Then you also right here, you got your Tiger Camo. Then you're coming up with your lacing system. You got your emboss here, or engraved Nike stitch, which is very, very, very nice, with your pull tab. Then you got mesh here as well. So rope laces, don't need to change a thing. Coming around on the side, you got that air unit. Look at that, just so lovely, very lovely. And then you got your You got your stitched in Nike sign as well. Like I said, you got that tiger print coming around on the back. You got that Air Max on the pull tab, and you got your etched in reverse. Nah, is that reverse? Nah, that's a regular swoosh. On this side, you got the reverse swoosh. As you can see, that's stitched in. But look how that see-through bubble. That is dope. Very, very dope. And as you can see, the stitching meets right here. And then inside the shoe, you have your gold swoosh. Production date 1/3/18 to 3/13/18 on this shoe. So we're just gonna get one more round, one more again, as they like to call it. Get that once around, spin a Rooney. You guys let me know what you think. I think on a lady lit meter, I'm gonna give this shoe about a 4.8 out of 5. 4.8 out of 5. I think it's a very, very dope shoe. It really caught my attention. And I guess for the deal, it really caught my attention. So I'm glad to add this to the collection, especially for this month. Hopefully we'll be able to get something from Foot Locker. I don't know how the whole boat didn't make it here or whatever they said. Maybe somebody backdoored the whole boat. Who the hell knows? But we'll see. So other than that, like I always say, if anybody need any assist, just hit me up. When you see those mall vlogs, hit me up. You can DM me, E_money_shoes. Have the cash out ready, and I will get it out to you that same day or the next day. No games played here with the receipt. So if you don't like your purchase, you can return or whatever. I'm not hard to get in contact with. So other than that, like I said, make sure you tune in this week to the show, Who Has the Heat? Still 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the championship, sponsored by Money Run Clothing. If you haven't checked the people out again, go check them out. Subscribe, get familiar with the contestants again. Breezy Kicks 23, Black Ass African, P-Town 24, McFly KOL, Splash on Drippy. Also go support my partners in crime. 313 Retro Queen, PM Kicks, and also support the special guest Feasts and Treats. Other than that, you have Emoneyshoes. You're checking out my little tiger print steel, and I'm out. Deuces.